The goal of every business person is to have their business exported to other countries. But the sad reality is, their greatest challenge is not actually how to export these businesses to other countries. It is actually how to send and receive money from other countries. Some of these persons or entrepreneurs face the harsh reality of high fees from agents. Others even fall victims to scams. Well, all that is gonna end today, because in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can send and receive money from other countries, African countries in particular, seamlessly with using just your smartphone and without leaving the comfort of your home, whether as a business person or as an individual, for business purposes or for personal interest. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just coming here for the first time, this is Grow with Joseph, and what I do here is I do research on how people can make passive income online. I first of all test them, and if they work out, then I bring them back to you so you can learn, implement and make some cool cash for yourself. So what I want you to do first is hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you've actually been looking for a way to send money across Africa and failed so many times, or fall into the hands of any scam or any agent that charged you a very high fee. Now, the aim of this video is not just to help you send money across Africa or receive money from other African countries, but it's also to enable you generate passive income for yourself, because that's our main goal on this channel. Now, how do I mean generate income for yourself? You can actually become an agent, that is, you help people send and receive money from other African countries. People will call you for you to help them send and receive money, and thereby you are going to charge them for doing this service. All right. So if someone wants to send like 100k from Nigeria to Ghana, you're going to be charging, let's say, 105k. That 5k is for your personal profit, it's your gain, and you're going to be sending 100k. Same as if you want to receive money from another country for someone else. So this is another way of you generating passive income for yourself, just using your smartphone and without leaving the comfort of your home. All you need to do is to market yourself. You can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or even leverage on WhatsApp influencers and WhatsApp ads, so you can be able to get customers for your business. Nowadays, we have a lot of people who are into mini importation. People import goods from Nigeria into Cameroon, from Ghana to Nigeria and other countries. Now, all you need to do is to get into these groups and tell these persons you can help them send and receive money to their suppliers. You can help them send money to their suppliers and even receive money from international clients. Then you're gonna charge them your fee for offering this particular service. This way is gonna enable you to make at least 100k every month for yourself. That said, let us dive into today's topic on how you can actually render these services, how you can actually render this service or send money and receive money for your business purpose or for personal interest. Alright guys, so to send money across Africa or receive money from other African countries, now this is what you're gonna do. Go to your Play or App Store and search for Eversend all-in-one money app. So you're just gonna type Eversend and this will come up. Make sure you get the right app. In fact, I'm gonna leave the link to this app in the description of this video, so you do not download the wrong app. All right. Now, once you're done downloading, just click on open. Now you will be brought here, and they are gonna request for your email address. What you're gonna do is put your email address in this in the required box, right? So I'm just gonna put my email address. My email is cjdigital, right? So I'm just gonna click on continue, and they are gonna send a code to my email address, and I'll need to take the code and fill in this space. So yeah, I have the code already. Now this is the code. You're just gonna put the code 58. So guys, just follow me. We're gonna take it step by step. All right. Now, after you have put in the code, now they're gonna bring you here where you're gonna put your country, your phone number, and they're gonna do a verification again. You get this? All these things are being done for security reasons. All right. Now you just click on country. I'm in Cameroon, so I'm gonna choose my country here, Cameroon. Now you're just gonna scroll down and look for your own country. Look for your country. Then you're just gonna go ahead to put your phone number. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my own phone number, which is 6, or let's say 659730097. Just depends on the number you want to use for this particular purpose. Now you're gonna choose how you want to receive the one-time pin. All right, so is it SMS or WhatsApp? I'm gonna choose WhatsApp. So once that is done, I'm gonna confirm. Now they've sent a one-time pin to the WhatsApp account. I'm just going to scroll down and copy this particular code. So you can see this is the code 7388078. 7388078, and boom, that's it. Guys, now mind you, I already have a verified account. I'm doing this so I can just show you step by step. All right, so after I'm done with this step, I'm just gonna go in and log into my verified account and show you how to send, receive money. In fact, all the services Eversend has. All right, so you're just gonna, after you're done putting the one-time pin, you're just gonna go ahead now to put your name. So my name is, I'm gonna put Nganje Joseph. Mind you, don't put the name which is on your ID card or your driving license, whichever document you're gonna use to verify your account. So I'm gonna put Nganje, and last name I'm gonna put Joseph. All right, now date of birth, you can put anything, but make sure the date of birth you're putting ties with that of your ID card. All right, but for me, I'm just gonna put everything. I'm just gonna put anything because I already have a verified account. Okay, now to use this app you need to be 18 years and above. Now if you don't have an ID card, you can use that of your mom, your dad, your sibling, anybody at all. Okay, so that is it. Now you're gonna put your password. Now you're gonna read to see the password requirements. It has to be 8 characters long, a capital letter, a small letter, and at least one number. I'm just gonna put anything. Now you're gonna create a pin. Your pin, this is the pin you're gonna use to validate every transaction. All right, you're gonna use this pin to validate every transaction you want to make on this app. Okay, so I'm gonna put my pin. This is my pin, or yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use as my pin. So guys, once you're done with that, you're just gonna click on start using Eversend. You see the button down here, just click on it, and boom, your account is created. Right, so now you can see you have 0 balance and everything. Now to explore this app fully, you're just gonna click on verify account now. All right, so you're just gonna click on verify account now to verify your account. Now you're gonna put your address. I'm in Boya. I'm just gonna put Boya, and then your town or your city. If you're in Abuja, you're in Lagos, you're in Kaduna, maybe if you're in Ghana, you're in Accra, just put your town. So I'm still in Boya. I'm just gonna put the same Boya. All right, and click on continue. We're just gonna wait. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then you're gonna miss out on a lot of things. Make sure you click on that subscribe button if you're getting value so far. Now something went wrong. Maybe it's my connection. I'm just gonna try again. Okay, good. So you need to make sure your connection is good when doing this process. Now you're going to click on agree and continue. Right, agree and continue. Now you're going to take a picture of the document you want to use to verify this particular process. All right, you're going to take it front and back. If it's your driving license, it can be your driving license, or let's say your national identity card, or any valid document actually. So you click on next. Now you're going to select your country. I'm just going to type on Cameroon. Now you see these are the documents you can use to verify this process. You have national identity card, temporal identity document, driver's license, or international passport. Whichever one you have, you can use for this particular process, depending on your country. So I'm just going to click on national identity card and click on choose. Yeah. So once I'm done with this, you can either attach a file front side and back side if you've already taken a picture, or you can just take a picture directly from this app. You're just gonna give this app access to your camera and take a picture directly. So what you need to do, if you haven't taken a picture already, just click on take a photo. So once you're done with that, your account will be verified. You are gonna receive an email confirming that your account verification process was successful. All right, now I'm just gonna log into my other account to show you how after verification your account is gonna look like. All right, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, after verification, this is how your account is gonna look like. All right, so you can see my balance. You see this add money and exchange button. and you're gonna see several buttons below: balance, card, send, earn, and more. Right now, this is how Eversend works. To send money to someone out of your country, you just need the person's details. That is either their bank or account number and name, or their mobile money account number and name, or whichever way they want to use to receive this particular money, whichever way they want to use to receive money. But now, to receive money from another country, the person sending the money to you needs to also be a user of Eversend. Alright, so the person needs to sign up and verify on Eversend before they can be able to send money to you. Do you get the point? So to send money, you just need the person's details. So if I want to send money to Nigeria, all I need to do is ask the person for their account number and name, then I can be able to come here and send to them. But to receive money, the person who wants to send to me also needs to have Eversend on their phone. Alright, so I'm just going to explain these buttons to you so you see how they work. Now, the first button, add money, is for you to add money into your balance, because to send money you need to add money into your Eversend balance. Alright, so you're just going to click on add money and choose how you want to add money. If you're in Nigeria or Ghana, if you use bank account in your country, you're going to see bank account here. So you're just going to click on bank account, input the amount, and you're going to verify the transaction with your PIN. Alright, now that is to add money. Once you're done adding money, you'll see it's gonna appear on your balance at the top. Alright, now let's go now to the next one, cards. This card is, you can get a virtual card on Eversend which you can use to do your online transactions. Alright, so to get a card, you're just gonna click on cards and click on this plus sign at the top of your screen. Then you're gonna click on accept and continue. Choose the type of card you want. Is it the one-time payment card of $3 or the monthly fee card of $1? So this one is the one I usually go with. You're gonna choose the color, continue, and then you're gonna add money to your card, and your card will be created. Where you can use this card for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, social media purchases, and a lot more. Alright, now let's come to this send button. Okay, now this send button, this is how you send money to someone. So if you want to send, you just click on send, and then first of all, before sending, you need to have the person's details, either their bank account, their mobile money account, whichever way you want to send to them. Alright, so click on send, and then click on this plus sign here to add their account details into your Eversend. So if I click on plus now, you're gonna click on manual or phone book. Now you're going to add their name, last name, country, and then their number, their phone number or account number. You get, so you're just gonna click their phone number. If you're sending with bank, you're gonna click on phone number and click on continue. After you have done that, the account will now appear on this list. Alright, so once it appears on this list, you're gonna click on it to send them money. So if I type 5,000, you see how much is gonna receive in Naira. You get now. So I'm just gonna click on continue, and they are going to receive the money in their bank account. Now, this process you can still send to another person's Eversend. That is, if the person you want to send to have Eversend, what they are going to do is they are just going to give you their Eversend number. So if I click on Eversend now, you see this is personal Eversend. I'm just going to click on it and send money to them, and they are going to receive in their Eversend account, so they can now withdraw into their own bank account. That is if they have Eversend. All right. Now to withdraw your money, you are still going to click on this send button. All right. Once you click on this send button here to withdraw your money, now you're going to choose how you want to withdraw your money. Is it through mobile money, bank, or let's say as airtime? So if you click on bank, you're going to just put in your bank details. If you have your bank details already here, you're just going to put in your bank details. You can click on this plus sign to fill in your bank details and withdraw the amount you want to withdraw. All right, me, I'm in Cameroon, I use mobile money. So if I click on mobile money, now this is the account I usually withdraw my money to. So you can see this is the account. So I'm just going to click on it, and then I'll just put in the amount and verify with my PIN code. Then I'll receive the money in my mobile money account. Okay, now for this Eversend has an affiliate program, so you can actually become an affiliate on Eversend. When everybody signs up using your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. All right, so if I click on earn, now I'm gonna click on invite a friend to get my affiliate link. All right, so once I click on invite a friend, I'm just gonna copy my link, and anybody that signs up using this link, I'll get paid a commission. All right, now whichever transaction they make, I'm gonna get a commission for the fees Eversend is gonna deduct or gonna charge them for that particular transaction. All right, so you can earn using Eversend as an affiliate marketer. All right, now for the more button, you're gonna see your profile. You can use the hub. This hub is for you to contact their customer support. You have offers, and then you have the invite, so you can click here to get your invite link. Now they also offer crypto. You can buy airtime using Eversend. You can trade crypto, insurance, trading. So these are the things you can do with Eversend. All right, so you just need to know two things. To send money to another person in that country, all you need is their details. So if you're in Nigeria and you want to send money to Ghana, you're just going to ask for their details. So if the person in Ghana is using mobile money or bank account, you're just going to ask for their bank account details. You come to Eversend, click on send, fill in their bank account details and the amount you want to send to them. Just go ahead and click on send, and they're going to receive in their bank account or their mobile money account. But to receive money, the person needs to have Eversend in their phone. All right, so when the person, you're just going to tell the person to go ahead and download this app, verify it, then the person, you're going to tell the person how they can send money to you using this app. They can either send directly to your bank account or your mobile money account, or whichever way you want, or they can send to your Eversend account. If they send to your Eversend account, you're going to see it in your balance. Then you can go ahead to withdraw into your normal bank account or your local bank account. That way the transaction is going to be successful. All right, so that is how to use Eversend. You can also earn using Eversend. You can send and receive money from other African countries seamlessly using just your phone and with very low fees. So guys, this is how you can send and receive money from other African countries, either as a business person or for just your personal reasons. All right, now this is us saying goodbye to high fees from agents, goodbye to being jobless, because we can now be agents, money agents. We help people send and receive money and we get paid. And also goodbye to being stuck within around our local market simply because of the fact that we don't know how to send or receive payments, right? We can now sell to international audience and get paid, right? So guys, let me know if you found value watching this video, and if you do, just comment thank you, Joseph. All right, and if you have audience out of Africa and you still do not know how you can send or receive money from other countries outside Africa, then let me know in the comment section so I do another video on how you can receive money from abroad, Europe, America, Asia, different continents outside Africa. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. See you in our next video. Bye.